Hey, what's up, fellas? Yes, it's me. And in today's video, we're answering one big question. Should you learn Linux as an IT beginner? Is it worth it? How can Linux help you in your career? Today, we'll cover why Linux is important, how you can learn it for free, what beginner-friendly certifications are available, future job opportunities, salary potential, and in the end, I'll give you my personal take on should you learn Linux as an IT beginner. Guys, this video is packed with valuable insight and it will help you take your career to the next level. So sit back, relax, grab some popcorn, and absorb the knowledge. Let's go. Are you new to IT and wondering where to begin? Here is a secret. Most IT professionals use Linux and over 90% of the internet runs on it. Whether you're aiming to become IT support, help desk, desktop, networking, cybersecurity, you name it, Linux is a must-have skill. So why do IT beginners need Linux? Because most people only know Windows or Mac OS, but in the IT world, Linux is everywhere. It's used in web servers, networking, cybersecurity, and cloud computing. Big companies like Facebook, Google, and Netflix love it because it's secure, it's reliable, extremely fast, and most of all, it is free. If you're just starting your IT career, learning Linux early on will help you stand out when you apply for the jobs. Even basic knowledge of Linux will give you an edge when you apply for those jobs over other candidates. Almost all big tech companies run on Linux powered servers. Even your phone, Android operating system is based on Linux. Knowing Linux will help you understand how the internet works behind the scenes. And if you're interested in cloud computing, cybersecurity, or IT support, it is an essential skill to have. So how do you learn Linux? Guys, there are many ways you can learn Linux. And the best part is it is completely free. Yes, don't you love free stuff? I do. Here are some beginner-friendly resources. A free book titled The Linux Command Line by William Schatz is a great resource for learning basic command line. Or you can hop over on YouTube and try the channel Learn Linux TV by Jay Lerox. This channel is my favorite and I have learned a lot from Jay. Thanks, Jay. You don't need to sign up for fancy courses and pay a lot of money. Just grab a laptop and start practicing today. So what jobs actually require Linux skills? Here are some beginner-friendly IT jobs where Linux can help you get hired. IT support, help desk, desktop. You all need Linux command line knowledge to troubleshoot day-to-day IT operations issues. Software support engineers. You need Linux command line knowledge to troubleshoot software issues. Network technicians. Linux is used in routers, switches, and networking tools. Cybersecurity analyst. Most of the security tools are built for Linux. If you're applying for IT jobs, knowing Linux will help you stand out and move up faster. Are there any beginner-friendly certifications out there? If you want to prove your Linux skills and boost your resume, here are some great beginner-friendly certifications. Number 1, Linux Essentials, offered by Linux Professional Institute, the best starter cert for absolute beginners. CompTIA Linux Plus. It covers Linux troubleshooting and sysadmin basic day-to-day jobs. Guys, if you want to increase your chances of getting hired, this certification will definitely help you, especially those candidates with no college degree. So what are the salary expectations for Linux professionals? Guys, market is hard for people with Linux skills. As a matter of fact, in my IT career, I have never met anybody with Linux skills and unemployed. If you know your command line and you have certification, you're gold. You can easily make up to $90K in USA. But if you're based here in Silicon Valley, you can make up to $120K or more, depend on which company you work for. With Linux skills, you increase your earning potential as you gain experience. So, should IT beginners learn Linux? Absolutely. Guys, candidates with Linux skills are highly sought after. It is a bit harder to learn comparing to Windows 11 or Mac OS, but once you learn the magic of command line, you will be set for the rest of your life, which means no paycheck to paycheck. Linux skills are highly valuable, and most of all, it's free. Did I mention free? So that's it, folks. If you find this content helpful, smash that like and subscribe button. Help me grow so I can make more IT beginner-friendly content just for you guys. Do you have any questions? Drop me a comment and I'll reply. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, ciao.